What's up everybody, this is Brian and I'm going to show you a quick tutorial of Desktop Docs. This is a Mac app that lets you search your images and videos using AI all locally on your computer. So when you install the app, it's going to take you through a quick tutorial. It's going to show you how to add individual files and directories to your AI library. Your AI library is where you'll be able to see the status of all the content that you've indexed. I'll show you that in a sec. Then you've got your search bar where you'll enter your queries, and then here's where you'll see your search results. So before we search, you'll notice that there's a way to filter your results down to images or video, and sometimes filtering down by image or video will improve your results. But let's start with all media. So I know that I've got a video that I made. It's a meme where the words meme app show up. So that's very first result here. And I can actually play it directly from the search results. So another example is like AI assistant. This is some YouTube thumbnails that I've made that also show up first in my results. If I want to narrow something down, so for example, if I want to look up a surprised man, this is some YouTube thumbnails that I've been experimenting with. I can also search famous people depending on how famous you are. You got Sam Altman. And then you can also search by actions. So if I want to search, for example, kissing, you get the scene from Spider-Man. If I want to search fighting in the rain, same thing. And then lastly, let's search toys flying. We got some content from Toy Story. And let's say this is the media that I want to use. So I can go into preview. This will take me into this page where I can play the content and then I can take some quick actions. So I can resize, change the aspect ratio, convert it to a different format, clip it, or send it to Premiere Pro. So if you're somebody who does a lot of video editing or you need to export your content, you can use this to send it and it'll have the marker directly from this preview page. The last thing I'll show you is the AI library. So I mentioned here, this is where you can see the status of everything that you've indexed. And everything in here, this is a collection of everything that I've indexed. So I've got over 100 pieces of content. So if it's not in here, that means it's not searchable by the AI model. But the way that you add that is just like I showed you here, where you click on add files, and then that will give you a dialog to add individual files to your AI model. Thanks for checking it out.